If you are looking for a trading platform to match your needs, today we are going to have a look at Tastytrade. We're also going to have a look at NinjaTrader, and we're going to have a look at Lightspeed in a head-to-head comparison to see which one will come out on top and suit your preferences. So let's check them out. Alright, so let's have a look at Tastytrade now. So Tastytrade is standing out in the crowded fintech space by combining robust trading tools with an extensive educational content. It's built by traders for traders, and the platform specializes in options trading with innovative features designed to make complex strategies accessible for both experienced as well as novice traders alike. You can also see over here, it gives you very cost-effective trading. So it offers low-cost commissions specifically designed for active option traders. It also includes sophisticated risk management tools that help traders monitor and adjust positions effectively. And it also has what they call Tasty Live. It's the platform's media arm. It delivers daily market insights through live programming features from over 25 trading experts. This continuous stream of professional analysis helps you as a trader stay informed and helps you develop your trading skills. The platform also features multiple specialized trade tickets interfaces, including table, curve, active, grid, crypto, and pairs. Each interface is optimized for different trading styles and asset classes, giving traders flexibility on how they actually execute strategies. You can also see some of their highlights include advanced technical analysis. So their desktop platform supports more than 200 technical studies, including proprietary indicators like the CAM indicator and Alpha Jensen. It also has a risk-free practice environment. So it offers an integrated virtual portfolio with $100,000 in paper money. This simulation environment allows traders to test strategies and build confidence without risking their real capital. Trust me, it's a really nice space to play around in. It also gives you mobile trading capabilities. The mobile app supports cryptocurrency trading and bracket orders, prioritizing ease of use over advanced charting. This mobile-first approach ensures that traders can manage positions on the go without sacrificing core functionalities. Okay, so if you've been around for a while in this space, NinjaTrader is probably something that you are familiar with. It has more than 600,000 global users. It has more than 100 technical indicators. And it has 3 market types: futures, forex, and stocks. It has advanced desktop trading platforms with a very robust customization for power users. You can also see over here it has sophisticated charting, tick, range, Renko, volume, and custom bar types. It also has NinjaScript automation using C-based programming, and it has strategy backtesting and market replays for system development. It has advanced order types, so OCO, trading stops, and custom ATM strategies. It has real-time market depth and volume ladder trading, and it has extensive community resources and ongoing educational support, because as a trader, you will be constantly educating yourself. Every day you'll learn something new. It also has real-time scanning across multiple instruments with customizable alerts. You can build complex strategies with no coding using their strategy wizard. And it also offers risk-free practice environments with full platform functionality. It's a real standout feature. So NinjaTrader 8 offers trade simulation, algorithmic strategy development, and comprehensive market analysis in one very, very powerful package. Let's have a look at Lightspeed now. So Lightspeed delivers institutional grade trading technology to professional and highly active traders with a focus on execution speed, advanced order types, and customizable tools. Lightspeed caters to traders who demand reliability and performance in a fast-moving market. You can also see over here that Lightspeed offers several specialized platforms, including LS Trader, Sterling Trader, Live VolX, and Realtek Pro. Each platform is tailored for specific trading styles with direct access trading capabilities and high-speed execution. The platform also employs sophisticated order routing and multi-threaded programming to deliver ultra-fast execution times.
And it's got support for complex order types, allowing you as a trader to implement advanced strategies with precision. Also, Lightspeed supports traders with webinars, private coaching sessions, and expert blogs. This educational ecosystem helps traders continuously enhance their skills and adapt to changing market conditions. The last thing over here is some of their features. So they have advanced charting with in-depth technical studies, powerful market scanners, and fully customizable home screens. You also, as a trader, can choose from regulation T margin accounts, portfolio margin, corporate accounts, IRAs, and separately managed accounts. This variety enables different trading approaches as well as risk profiles. And with their API access and basket order functionality, Lightspeed serves institutional and professional traders who require automation and scale in their operations. These features really do support algorithmic trading and large position management.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. A head-to-head comparison of some of the best software in the industry. Now, the takeaway here is to go ahead and use them and put them in a real life scenario and see what actually works for you. If this was enjoyable, go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.